Click on the link below to get price. The Santa Fe Classic Dehumidifier stands out as an exceptional choice for anyone seeking an effective solution for humidity control in their home or workspace. Designed with durability and performance in mind, this dehumidifier can efficiently extract moisture from the air, making it ideal for areas prone to dampness, such as basements or crawl spaces. One of the most impressive features of the Santa Fe Classic is its high capacity for moisture removal, boasting the ability to extract up to 70 pints of water daily. This makes it suitable for larger spaces, and it operates efficiently in temperatures as low as 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a significant advantage over many competitors that struggle in cooler environments. The unit is equipped with a powerful rotary compressor and a large fan, ensuring that it can maintain optimal humidity levels even in challenging conditions. Installation is straightforward thanks to its compact design and portability. The dehumidifier is relatively lightweight, allowing for easy relocation if needed. Moreover, it features a continuous drain option, which means you can set it up to run without the hassle of manually emptying the water reservoir, a huge plus for users who want a hands-off experience. Noise levels are another area where the Santa Fe Classic excels. Unlike many other dehumidifiers that can be disruptive, this model operates quietly, making it perfect for use in living spaces without creating an uncomfortable environment. The build quality is robust, with a focus on longevity. The unit is designed to withstand years of continuous use, ensuring that you get your money's worth over time. In summary, the Santa Fe Classic Dehumidifier combines efficiency, durability, and ease of use, making it a fantastic investment for anyone looking to improve air quality and control humidity levels in their home. Its performance and reliability make it a top contender in the dehumidifier market, ensuring a more comfortable living space.